Yeah, people, wanna see how it go. Take a little morning walk, you know. This is my workout for the day. Try to get it in, you know what I mean? So, bright and early. Alright, Shirley Monday morning. Look on the charts, me not too see nothing what I like. Well, I like where there, you know. We are look for GJ continue push down. So I'm just wait for my entry right now. It there at more than say a weekly level. So I wait for it break that and retest. Then I get me enter, you know what I mean? You know, a business as usual, you see it, so yeah. Me sure you know what I go on. Yeah, people, so this the chart look like right now, you know what I mean? You find support. This I think that's the 15-minute time frame. That's the 1 hour time frame. So I go and pre on the 15 minute. We have a little break there, so but the retest never good. So it when we would say a consolidate, just I go up and down, up and down, up and down in a one little area, in a to go far. So I go and watch it. You have the little trend line here when I draw. I tap of the candles, you know what I mean? If you break that, retest, continue up, then I can look for a buy. But I expect if you break the 160.780 and retest that and continue down. So this is if I did take a trade, you can either put a sell or a buy. You understand? You enter your stop loss, you take profit, and you select the trade. Right here now, I was trying to show you the $87 way in my account. And here, I try to show you the trade that when I take. The one them were red, I lose. The one them were blue on the right side are the trades when I win. $6, $12 here and there, you know what I mean? Lose $10, lose $5, lose $7. All part of the game. So, yeah, as I say, we are wait for the entry. So, hopefully, we can get the entry there. And these are just objects you can set on the charts. But, yeah, we get forward in the video and we explain the rest. Wow, go on, beautiful people. There again, you know. As you see the title of the video, you know what I mean? I try flip this account now. We're $87 US. Try make 1,000 at least, you know what I mean? Test out my skills. Me new to the thing same way, me just learn, you know what I mean? But as promised, me I carry on along my trading journey. You know what I mean? Forex is a thing where more that say when we first hear about it, it was like you sign up and you get 5 somebody if you sign up. Nothing like that. Nobody no sign me up, me no sign up nobody. I'm solely independent, I do my thing. It's just like you have a Robinhood account and you buy stocks off of your own, or you watch 2 Warren Buffett video on YouTube and you go buy 2 stocks and say, alright, we are set and forget and we are going to hold it, you know what I mean? Yeah, I was saying before I was really interrupted by the alarm, you know? Now we have to get ready for work and thing and then look away there, but I say I want to check in with them and touch base, I couldn't see what I want. So right now the account there $87. So I want to bring it up. But the only thing with this account now is I join a signal group. That is I pay someone $50 a month. It's like a Telegram. I don't know if you know the app name Telegram. And I pay him $50 a month. Me in a group. It's a group of us. I think around 300 person in the group, if not more. We each are paying $50 a month. And him send out anytime him go take a trade, him send it. Him send your entry, your stop loss, your take profit. You get what I say? You enter and you exit. And stop loss would be like if the trade go against we and we lose, we can only lose certain amount. So you set your stop loss like this, 1%, and your take profit would be 1%, 2%, 3%. Depends upon the setup, you know what I mean? So him a give me signal, but more and trade it and flip it on my own. So I don't know me I go work out the part there yet. You know? So far, I joined the signal group about 2 weeks now. And me did up about $60 out of the signal group, you know what I mean? Because then time me have like $30 in the account, so me on risk like $1 per trade, like 10 cent per pip. You know what I mean? Pip I like each step. You know, these are things you guys have to go research to, you know, watch YouTube video and them little thing. Them just you know, tell them about my journey. So if you're not interested, then you can dive in further. But yeah, I'm not doing a course. I'm not doing a course or nothing like that. I barely know if I trade myself, you know what I mean? I just share my story. So that's something I enjoy doing, you know what I mean? I've been doing for roughly a year now. You know, I have a demo account where I start with 100,000 fake money. You know what I mean? 50,000 now. I blow it. I try to trade like the big boys, you know what I mean? US 30. That would be my advice to a new trader. US 30, gold, silver. Stay away from those. Those are the big boys account. Like, no kidding, the big boys account. I lost $7 like that as I enter the trade and look back on it. $7, boom. But you can make $7 like that as well. So that's why the big boys, them trade it, you know what I mean? But them understand the market. Them understand the candle patterns just like regular stocks. So you have the candle green, mean it I go up, red mean it I go down. You know what I mean? Same. So most people when them join them say find one pair, your favorite pair, stick to that pair. So like you have the US dollar against the euro dollar, USD JPY, or EUR, you know what I mean? Stick to that. Me used to trade when I first start USD CAD, so that's US against Canada. You know what I mean? We are Jamaicans, well, most of us Jamaicans anyway. We know about the foreign exchange. You get what I say? Because we have to check how much the US dollar value to the Jamaican dollar. So, you know what I mean? We can't say, what? Money gone up or money get weak, you know what I mean? So we already in the foreign exchange, Forex, without even knowing it. We've been doing this, you know what I mean? Yeah, people used to trade. Yeah, somebody fly in from foreign, you have the man on the street corner change out US and I give him Jamaican dollar, or change out pound and I give him Jamaican dollar. That's Forex right there. That's it in a nutshell. So if you can understand that, you understand everything, you know what I mean? So I have an app. I name the Trading View app. You know, I try pop up a picture up on the screen how it look. Beautiful app. You can use it free. You can do paid subscription a month. Once you understand what you do, then would say go a paid subscription a month, because with the paid subscription you can add indicators and all that. Which in on the free one you get up to 3 indicators. I have 3 indicators on mine. 3 when we just find out about. The main indicator where everybody move, use the moving average. Just a line like that. The moving average. So if the candle's above the line, yeah, look for take a buy. If the candle's below the line, yeah, look for take a sell. But basically, in a nutshell, you have some top people out there do it. Why am I decide to try flip this $87 to 1,000? Set it and forget it, man. I don't know guy name. I don't know guy name. I must find him name. I put a pitch time up here, so check out him YouTube channel if you get interested in a Forex. Bad, man. Like, I like how him trade. You get what I say? Like, the guy will tell you straight up, I lose a lot of trade. But I win a lot too, so, you know what I mean? That's why you risk 1%, if you probably get 2%. So even if you lose 2 trades, you're still up 2%. So, him bad. Level up. My plan to take signals from him in the near future to said way. Because him having Telegram group, 100 a month. You take signal from him, bad. You know? Yeah, man, me rate them. You have lamboraul, you have so much. Jamaicans, oh, you have a lot of Jamaicans where the youth where me I take signal from right now, a Jamaica, him there send me signal in a foreign. Yeah, he's a Jamaican youth. Me I get signal from right now. You have enough of them. Where I eat, everybody supposed to know pajama man. So you see me? If you don't know him, find out about him. Boy, bad too. Watch dog YouTube, watch him Instagram. Bad man. Bad, rate them. You know what I mean? Once you get into the game now, you start know the goat them in the game, you know what I mean? Yeah. You have some people my age, you have some young youth. You know the young youth brain them a click like that, you know, but man them bad on the charts. And it take time. Time in the market. You don't not time in the market, but time in the market. You get what me I say? Time in, time in. Yeah, that are the key to any market. Real estate market, stock market, Forex market, closed market. I guess like any market, it's time in, not time in. Like waiting for the right time, waiting for the right opportunity. You know what I mean? Experience teaches wisdom. So the more time you spend doing it, the more you will learn. People out there you can learn from for their mistake. That's why people have courses where you can purchase them course. I mean, not purchase a course yet. I plan to in the near future, you know what I mean? Like within the next month or so. You don't see my schedule out in a miggly, so yeah. I barely have time for trade because by the time I have to go work, at that time the New York session open. And you know the New York session, you know what I mean? Big moves happen that time. Most people just trade the London and the New York and I hit that for the day. London session at 3 o'clock in the morning. Jamaican or American time. New York session 9 o'clock when the regular stock market open. That time the New York session Forex open. Then you have the China session and the next one. But yeah. There's a lot more to it, man. So, as me tell you now, me I got enter a trade. Well, hopefully me enter the trade. Me like how it is set up right now. If me can show it on the screen over here, so you always see you have the trend line coming down, and you draw the trend line at the top. When it's going down, you draw it at the top of the candles. When the trend is going up, you draw it at the bottom of the candles. So you see the trend line coming down. You see me have that green line here, so as more that say a support level. That's a major support level. That's why it's in a green. And may have several in a red. The green one, then I get it off for the 4 hour. I like check the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and then I go down to the 15 minutes. Some people like check the day, the week. I'm not depend on that level there yet. I like 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. That's me. Trading off for the 1 hour, I get more pips. Trading off for the 15 minutes. You know what I mean? I'm sure about it and secure 20 pip per trade, you know what I mean? Me kind of scalping mode from me join this thing, me not scalping mode, but I'm definitely getting better at it, you know what I mean? So, I go and eat food as a scalper. Once I learn swing trading now, then would I say that would have been my thing, you know what I mean? Lamboraul, I have to shout him out too, big him up, goat, you know what I mean? You have enough big people in I think, man. So we are going to learn most of students. You see it. Yes, as I say, once if it break the trend line and retest, you know what I mean, along with the moving averages, when we try go long, that means I take a buy. But if you break that support, which you know that may I expect if you break that support and retest it, then we will go short, which in may I take a sell. So just a wait upon that. That was my biggest challenge with the Forex, patience. Patience will be anyone's biggest challenge. You know what I mean? And we tell us if you be persistent, like keep going. Definitely keep going. Don't give up, don't stop. But patience, like you see the trade set up, you know say it come for yourself. But where do you enter? You get what I say? If they are 169, you know, so you enter a 168.50. But you say, me stay in a Me go and take the loses till they reach 169.50. 168.50, sorry. So me I enter from 169. That me love do. You know what I mean? And it will fluctuate, he go up, he go down, he go up, he go down. Sometimes it stop me out. He will go up to 167, stop me out. You know what I mean? Because there's some stop loss. So me lose, with the demo account, me lose $1,000 there. So then eventually, after I stop me out, then he got the 168.50 and continue down to all 100. I'm like, damn, bro, that's like 68 pips, bro. 68 pips. You get what I say? It's probably 600 pips though, but few people then when I understand, like 68 pips, I could have make 68 pips. I could have look on probably, 5,000 or more. Or 30,000. On the demo account, of course, but like, me just patience and wait. So I enter before it reach the level where I know I'm supposed to enter. So I stop do that now. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I did something there with it. You see me? I go and watch the charts. Just spend time in the charts. Everybody when I know say that spend time in the charts. Spend time in the charts, you know what I mean? You will get there. I mean, some people is a fast learner, or signal groups out there, so you can just take straight signal, you know what I mean? Just signal. And flip a good money. You have $1,000 can put in your account and get signal and flip that to 5,000. Easy. So it depends upon your thing, but my thing, you know what I mean? More really learn it and take it to that level there. I'm not too good on the screen sharing thing yet. I like with the trading view and them thing. Then once me get that on the wrap, then we'll go on better video with the Forex. While me I talk, you can see me I touch it on the charts and them little way there. You know what I mean? So, yeah, practice become perfect. But I hate that. Me post, by the time I edit that video, I'm supposed to take a trade or not. So, I will post the results up somewhere in here in a video if me do take a trade, or if me not take a trade, me update to now make you know. And then we see how the week play out. The markets open more, that says Sunday night and Monday morning now. Yeah, because we like 7 hours ahead of America right now, 2 hours ahead of England. Yeah. More time I get my time confused, but I know say American session start when I reach work at evening time, exactly on the dot. So at least I know that. Yeah, and my favorite session, the 3 o'clock in the morning thing now go work for me. So I just say, make the big moves, and then we will get everything left. So yeah, I'm not too draw out the video, I'm just show you what I go on, make you see what I go on, you know what I mean? So until next time, the mucho yardie, Forex Journey, you know what I mean? Yeah, to the top, man. We don't know where else to go. You see it? So big up on yourself, man. Me check it. Yeah, I'm not doing a course or nothing like that. I be able to know for trade myself, you know what I mean? I just share. Alright, the MetaTrader 4 app. I'm go inside it. I look for the pair where him send. I think it was AUD, JUD. I realize I'm gonna have the pair there, so I have to add it. So I'm go in and look for. I'm add it, not AUD, EUR, USD. So as you can see, I add the pair, I scroll along to the bottom. Sorry about the screen sharing, it's not perfect. I'm screen record it on my phone. So here now, I go enter the signals where him send. So him send the stop loss, so I have to double check it. Just like that, simple. Stop loss, SL. It's not that trade on the screen, it's below it. But as I said, the screen recording not so good from my iPhone. So you go see me, I go back and forth, I check it, I enter it. Check it, I enter it. You know what I mean? And you just simple do that when you get a signal. Boom, I enter one trade this already. Now I go enter the second one. So this one I'll be for TP2. Go back and forth again. enter my stop loss, enter my take profit, click buy if it was a buyer. So this one on the screen now is the pair I was trading, the GBP, JPY, and all this was playing out while I was making the video. It go down, hit the support, go up, hit the moving average, come back down, go up, come back down, hit the support again, go up, hit the trend line. Me just record it for show you what did that take place. At this point, I didn't even take a trade yet. See, it go up, it hit the moving average along with the trend line, so that would be a good year to take a sell. But I wasn't on the charts to see that move, and that's the support down there. It break through the support, go all the way down. But when it come back to retest the support, it didn't. It break through that support, go all the way up. See that long wick? And then it come back down, go up, come back down. I look for signals like that right there. When you see candle patterns like that, it normally signal like a reversal. So when it come down and you see a pattern like that, that means it'll go up for your buy. But you have to have all of your eggs in a basket, which in Forex we call them confluences. All your confluences have to line up like at least 5 before you can take the trade. But that's kind of advanced, so that's for our next video. So yeah, this is what I was looking for: break, retest, and then continue down. But obviously that didn't happen. We push through and go up. Alright, so yeah, once you break that level right there, we break this one up top, then I either take a sell or I go take a buy. So this are the era where we left it in. I did eventually get a trade. I'll show you guys that next. Yes, people, so this is the trade I took. I took a sell from up there in the pink zone, come down to the 38% fib level, Fibonacci. That's more advanced, but as you can see right there, once I saw that big push up, I decided to take the trade, but I didn't set a take profit because I want to see how far it would go. But once I put my fib at that 38 fib level, I closed the trade because it tend to push up back, as you can see it did. So it was smart on my part to close it right there. As I said, that's kind of another indicator or confluence you can use, the fib level. It's not a main thing, but it's like an indicator just to confirm it. See, it did do the break, so I'm expecting it to come up for the retest. That's why I took the sell. I was kind of going against the movement, but I decided to do it anyway. And then a scalp, that's like a scalp move right there. The break, the retest, that's confirmation. So I could have been stopped out, but I wasn't. And then it pushed on down in my favor. I decided to close the trade. I was gonna wait for the 50% fib level, but I said don't be greedy. It's okay to leave money on the table. So I closed it at the 38%. And luckily I did, because it was a calculated move. And as you look to the right and you see, it did continue to push on up, way up. A big move happened. And I didn't catch it, but next time, you know what I mean? So this is where I'm at in my trading journey in a nutshell, you know what I mean? Thanks for checking in. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. The Moocha Yadi, coming at you. My Forex journey. I'm out.